Coming up later in this video.
We're doing a Dutch paw. Dutch claw. We're doing a Dutch paw. That's going to be fun to edit.
But first...
Hello everyone, Katobi here. Thank you very much for joining me for today's painting. Today's another special one. We're doing a Dutch paw. Dutch paw. We're doing a Dutch paw. That's going to be fun to edit. So we're doing a Dutch paw. I hope you're enjoying these videos. My technique is definitely getting better as I learn how to use the hairdryer itself. I'm very happy with the nozzle that I've created. I will make another one for myself in the future. I do plan to redesign this bad puppy. It's bad because, not because it's a puppy, it's a good puppy. The mouth diffuser doesn't diffuse properly, so I'm going to work on that. So let's make today's painting with our gold, our pink, our light purple, and our aquamarine, ultramarine, sorry, blue. Aquamarine. I'm going to start with the blue today. I'm going to go across here. You'll notice that I'm doing each one as a different pattern. I think that keeps it a little bit more exciting. Remember to clean off your nozzles as you go along. I'm going to do pink next. In the future, I want to do some of these with more variations of colour. But I really want to get to the point where I've edited all these videos first, had a look at them, and then come up with those sorts of conclusions. We do have a lovely painting coming up soon. It was actually meant to be the second painting I did in this series, but I've held off doing it. So that's coming up. Hopefully I remind myself to tell you that that's the one. Like when it happens, it's like, that's the one. This is the one I was meant to do as number 2. But when I release them, I'll have released it already as number 2 for you. But for me, it's out of sequence. So it might go absolutely spiffingly, it might have gone terribly, I don't know. You will know. That's funny, isn't it? You will know how that one turned out. I will not. All right, that looks wonderful. I'm really happy with that. Gold, light purple, fluorescent pink, and ultramarine. Let's give it a blowout. Oh, so I'm gonna actually blow from this point outwards first, okay? So yeah, let's do it. I caught a little bit of the white under here, the base, and lifted it up, but it's actually caused this beautiful lacing just through here, so that's lovely. Not what I was expecting. I wanted a bit more of a uniformity, like a wrapped gift, I guess. But look, I am not unhappy with that at all. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to lightly blow here. I'm going to blow off the edge here. I like actually how that part here is lighter than the rest of it. So that's where the whites come over and dulled it out. That's a really good example, actually. I'll leave a tip on the screen for that. But yeah, that's where the whites come over, dulled it out. So when you do the blows where you blow over, so you lay your paints, blow your base over the paints, and then you blow it out, that's the sort of consistency you're after, the kind of coloring. Very pastel-y, very beautiful. Oh gosh. Okay, I'll bring you in to have a look at this one. Well, that part's just white. Then we've got this beautiful area here. Very delicate. You're so lucky, you get to see these all dry moments after I do this close up for you, where I have to wait at least a month to see them all beautifully and dry. Oh, that part's gorgeous just there. That there. Oh, love it. I think my pouring medium's quite good. I have learnt a little bit more about what I can do with the pouring mediums. So still not ready yet to release mine, because I think if I did release it, I might be giving you bad information currently, but I'm definitely working on giving you good information. I'm just going to put a dribble of paint right here. And while I'm doing that, I'll tell you that what you're going to see next is Katobi in the future. That's me in the future talking to you about how beautiful this looks. It'll be varnished. It'll be gorgeous. It'll be up on the wall. Sorry. Yeah, varnished. It'll be varnished and up on the wall. We'll talk about it, and then Katobi in the future will tell you more about it. I'm just going to flatten this out with the hairdryer.